Hello friends and welcome to Fashionista. In our last episode, we highlighted on hair spa and hair treatment for dandruff. This time I'm going to show you something different, that is to streak your hair in blonde and then how to take care of the treated hair. Of course, I'm going to try it on me. So we have Reshma Sheikh with us and she's going to explain us how to take care of the treated hair after you use streaks or any kind of color for your hairs.
Hi friends, today I'm going to show you hair color. We are going to do streaks on Greta. You can do different types of streaks and there are different methods of doing streaks. Let's start the first step, that is 4 partitions from front to back to. First do partition and then start doing, that is we are going to do slant streaks, not the straight. So the first step is first take slant. I'm going to do a proper streak by taking hair with the pin which is in this way. I'm not going to take slices because for blonde color slices will look too much. So as I said, the first step is take the hair, then the streaks, keep in mind never put color on the root because this is not a global color. Global color needs to be put from the root to the ends, but for streaks no need, you have to leave ½ inch from the root and apply the color. The reason why not to put the color on the root is it harms the roots because blonde color needs more chemicals, because it needs a little bleaching agent which might harm the scalp. So second strand, first strand we have taken color. First strand is the hair which is her base hair. Then we have taken the streak. Again the third is again we have taken strand and then we are supposed to take the streak. Again we are supposed to take the streaks and start putting color. Now again all the strands should be taken at the slanting direction, not straight. So the third strand again very fine streaks. Greta needs more of blonde. She likes blonde color. So I had done before very less blonde. So now whatever hair is her base in the middle after doing streaks, I'm supposed to do more blonde by taking more streaks. This way. If a client needs less blonde, the base hair is shown more. But if the client needs more blonde, then more streaks can be taken and put color. Now let me tell you about the types of hair and how to take care of the different types of hair. There are only two types of hair, that is oily and dry. Oily hair should be taken proper care by washing their hair at least 3 to 4 times a week. Special shampoo for oily hair is only for oily hair. Shampoo should be used with conditioner. Oily hair usually has dandruff. To treat dandruff, now dandruff is also two types, that is dry and oily dandruff. Oily dandruff will fall on the shoulder, or it's a falling, and oily dandruff is sticky, which sticks on the scalp. So first step to take care of hair is washing regularly, then oiling the hair at least twice a week, using conditioner, using hair mask, if possible spa treatment for hair, but if not possible, at least oiling the hair once a week will help a lot. To prevent dandruff, home remedy for dandruff is you can take oil and put 2-3 drops of lime, apply on the scalp. After half an hour, wash it with shampoo, dandruff shampoo. It helps a lot. Dandruff shampoo also helps, but sometimes even dandruff shampoo doesn't help for dandruff, treatment for dandruff. So the best treatment for dandruff is apply oil and steam the hair for at least 10 minutes. If you don't have a foot steamer, you are supposed to take a hot towel, wrap it on the hair like a turban for 2 to 3 minutes each. You are supposed to do this for at least 5 times. Dip the towel in hot water, squeeze it, put on the head as a turban, keep for 2 minutes and remove it. This will help definitely remove your dandruff. Now, as I said, there are two types of hair, that is dry and oily. Dry hair is always frizzy, unmanageable, no life, no shine. So with oily hair, again, even dry hair needs lot of care. Dry hair compulsory needs conditioner. After shampoo, for dry hair, conditioner is must. If you don't use conditioner after a shampoo, the hair will become more dry and frizzy. If it is extra frizzy, you are supposed to do spa, which will give moisture to the hair. Spa treatments there are a lot of spa treatments, but especially for dry hair is for dry and frizzy hair. Now we are going to do a chocolate spa for Greta. After coloring her hair, we are going to do this spa because it's very good for color treated hair. First, after coloring the hair, wash the hair with chocolate shampoo. After that, we have to do 4 partitions and start putting the spa cream all over the hair and emulsify in this way. This improves the hair which is chemically treated by giving shine and softness. This has got a chocolate smell because it's specially